Welcome back to Let's Explore with us. So in this video we're gonna do a nature vlog. As you can see back of me, you can see all plants, and with me my cousin Shloka is gonna join.
Hello, I am Shloka, her cousin. Even I have a channel. It's called Red Kenji.
I'll give you the link in the description, guys. You go and check out her channel. She makes cool acting videos.
Vlog videos and kind of like that.
Okay, so you please go and check out. And as you can see at the back, it's all looking green because of the plants.
Even
So
the sky is really beautiful today.
So we are in our grandma's house, guys. Okay, and we're gonna show you this garden and our grandma's actual garden as well. But we're gonna show you that in clips. Okay, we can't show the whole thing at a time. Okay, so let's get started.
Our grandmother's house is very beautiful. So
With
stay
all
till the end
plants.
to see the beautiful
Garden. As we said, we're gonna show you the overlook of this place. As you,
It's very beautiful.
I hope. See, guys, we will show you the zoomed version as well.
And we'll also be trying to put the names
Of the plants, because we don't know it actually.
We
Sorry,
don't know
guys.
many of the names.
Okay, but in our grandma's house, her actual garden, she knows everything, guys. And we will show her garden in the form of clips as well. So stay tuned till the end. Okay, guys. You can see this tree. It's all big. We're gonna keep the name in the editing process while we are
Yes.
uploading.
And it is so big, you could hide so many secrets.
Yes, guys. See, guys, how large it is.
Like if you buy any secret chocolates, you can put it inside the tree and nobody
Yes,
will know.
guys. And this is the second plant. It's looking like somewhat like lotus, I think.
Lotus leaves.
Leaves.
kind of.
Okay. We don't know the name, but
Look
we
at
will
this.
surely
This
post
is so
the name.
beautiful, so dead.
Dead, guys. Dead. Seriously, it's dead, guys. And this is adenium, guys. But there's no flower. But I showed you in my garden tour as well this flower, guys. If you know it. And this is another plant. We don't know the exact name of it, as we said. And this is ficus, as you know it. If you don't know, I'm telling you, this is one type of ficus and it grows without any maintenance, guys. So you could prefer to grow this at the beginning stage of your gardening. And this flower, I guess it's jasmine, I guess, guys. I'll surely try to put the name of this as well.
There are so many white flowers which look
But it's
like
so
this.
attractive, guys, this flower, white one.
Yes.
This is also ficus, guys, as you saw the before one.
We also have the pictures of many of these plants. So afterwards we'll show the pictures.
The last, guys, and we will show the grandma's garden clips as well. So please stay tuned.
So if you want the
I don't
pictures,
know this plant, but if you know, guys, please comment me in the comment section below. And this is a money plant, guys. It's a type of a money plant. How small and cute it is. See, round and round. See, guys, this is a show plant, guys, and you can, as you can see over here, at the till over here, it's there, guys. So big in size. It's a show plant, as I know, but if you know the actual name of it, please comment me, guys. As you can see, this big tree or something else. This is champa, guys. I showed you this thing in my garden vlog as well, guys. I'm gonna zoom it so you can see the wild flowers now, guys. That's the champa one. Okay. And the next one is rose, guys. Shloka plucked this rose from that plant only, guys. Okay, guys. No bothers. I guess this is a weed or something, guys. I don't know. But I will try to put the name in the comment section or something. This is very cute, guys. In fact, see, guys, this is the overlook of that. And this is a big tree, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so big. But I don't know the name of it. If you know the name, please give the name in the comment section below. What is this plant? I don't know either. But I know this plant. This is a money plant. How nicely curled up. Okay, guys, let's go to the next one. This is also looking like a weed or something. But it's looking like somewhat an apple shape, guys. This leaf, you can see closely. This is looking like an apple thing, right, guys? Okay. And this is another champa plant, guys. This is a smaller one, I guess. Okay. And these are all grass, guys. And this is a grass flower, as you can see. Okay. This is a Rudraksha flower or something, guys. I don't know the name exactly. This is also a champa plant, guys. This is a show plant or something. I'll give you the name in the comment section or something else. Okay, guys. This is a tree or something. I don't know exactly, guys. It's so big. You can hide chocolates, as Shloka said before. This is also a big tree. I don't know the name, but I'll give you the name in the comment section below. Okay. So guys, this is another tree. As you can see, this bush is so attractive, guys. Because it's so bright green colored, guys. See guys, this is the base. See guys. And I'm gonna keep the name over here as well of this plant. So this is another ficus. And this is another champa tree, guys. I'm gonna show you the proof as well. See guys, the white flowers. That's the champa plant I showed you in my garden video as well. If you have not seen it, please go check it out. This is the hibiscus plant, guys. How attractive, pink hibiscus. I showed this also in my garden video. Please check it out, as I said. Okay. This is also a hibiscus, I guess. I don't know exactly. This is a big tree. This is also a champa plant, guys. Okay, up. Oh my gosh. Okay, fine. This is a show plant. Same one over there. I showed you this. This is 1,000 plants. In our house that was red color, but over here it's orange, right? Okay, guys. And the next plant is, I guess this is a jasmine, guys. A jasmine bush. Looks like that. Okay, fine. I don't know. This is a 1,000 flowers plant, as you know it. So guys, this is another 1,000 flowers plant, but it's looking so attractive, guys. In my house it was red, right? Okay.
There's also red ones here, like on the
Oh yes, guys, there were red ones as well. I forgot to show you. Up over
So
there.
those ones here also.
There were red ones over up there, guys. Okay. I forgot to show you that. Sorry for that. Okay, let's go to the next plant. This is also an orange 1,000 flowers, but no flower has blossomed into this. No problem, guys. This is another champa plant. Okay, but no flower blossomed to this as well. But there are some buddings coming over here. Okay. So guys, this is the last but the beautiful plant from all. Okay, this is a bougainvillea plant. Okay, pink one. It's all blossomed over here. So attractive. Okay, fine, guys. I'm gonna end the video till now. Fine.
But like there's also another prickly
Poisonous plant.
We'll show that also because that's very
Important. So guys, this is that poisonous plant which Shloka was talking about. And you, as you can see the thorns of it, I guess, I hope you can see this. Yes guys. See guys how thorny this shoot part is. This is the bush, guys. The flowers are so attractive. That's why to protect the flower, it's all doing keeping thorns to the stem. And the last,
another plant.
this was attractive, guys. That's why we thought of showing this. This is motion taste. This video, if you like this video
Subscribe to my channel.
and my channel, I'll give her link in the description box. Go check it out.
So yes, I also make these kind of videos, so they will be really fun. And go check them out and comment down below
For the
what
next week's plan,
Yes, and also comment down below your favorite plant.
Okay.
Because there were so many beautiful plants.
And comment the names as well, because we don't know all the names. If you know the names, please comment us. What
We'll
the
try
names
to
are.
put as many names as we know in the editing.
Okay, guys.
Yes.
Bye.